Hi there, little chefs. I'm Mihiro, and today we're going to learn the names of some amazing vegetables. Are you ready? Let's go on a veggie adventure. First up, we have the juicy tomato. Did you know that a tomato is both a fruit and a vegetable? Tomatoes are red and juicy. They make your sandwiches and pizza super yummy. Next we have the crunchy carrot. Carrots are orange and super crunchy. Did you know they help you see in the dark? Let's not forget the silly broccoli. Broccoli looks like tiny trees. It's fun to pretend you're a giant eating trees, and it's super healthy too. Say hello to the friendly potato. Potatoes can be mashed, baked, or fried. They're like magic in the kitchen. Look, it's the zesty bell pepper. Bell peppers can be red, yellow, green, or orange. Let's meet the cool cucumber. Cucumbers are green and refreshing. Perfect for salads and snacks. Next, meet our leafy friend, spinach. Spinach is green and leafy. It's like a superhero for your body, giving you strength. Popeye loves spinach, and so will you. And now, we have the mighty onion. Onions can make you cry when you cut them, but they add lots of flavor to our food. Next, let's meet the colorful beetroot. Beetroots are red and sweet. They make your food look and taste amazing. Say hello to the crunchy celery. Celery is crunchy and fun to munch on. It's great with peanut butter. Here's the spicy radish. Radishes are red and white, and they add a spicy crunch to your salads. Here's the spicy chili pepper. Chili peppers are hot and spicy. They add a kick to your food. Next up, we have the spicy ginger. Ginger is a root that makes our food zesty and helps our tummies feel better. Next, we have the juicy cabbage. Cabbage is green or purple and can be used in salads, soups, and even coleslaw. Say hello to the tasty cauliflower. Cauliflower is white and crunchy. It's great roasted or even as pizza crust. My favorite vegetable is cucumber. What's your favorite?
blink.